Oh look, snow on the cactus, because that's normal. Alright guys, so today is a very different video. It's actually something a lot of you guys probably would never even think about or even consider possible. Like, even myself I think is insane. Okay, here it goes. In the Sonoran Desert, in the cactuses, it snowed. Yes, it snowed in Arizona in the desert, 4 inches. We're about to go on a hike and we're gonna go check out the snow and see what it's all about. So me, Jeff, and his brother-in-law are going to go out hiking in the snow. And I got a new Mavic Air drone, which is totally awesome, and I haven't used it for any of my videos yet, so we're going to go out and we're going to test that out too. So, who knows, it's going to be really cool, it's going to be totally different. Yes, snow in Arizona, in the desert. Let's see how it goes. Alright, I'm going to go to the top of Flat Iron and get some drone footage. Yep. Going to the top of that.
There's snow all over the mountain.
That literally
little kids learning to talk.
Looks so cool.
You teach them things.
This is crazy.
You want me to take one of these?
Yeah, no, we're gonna be at the snow. I don't want to dunk my head in there. Crazy.
It's like ice in there.
That's insane. It's gonna be cool. I'm excited to get the drone to the top. Man, look at that. That is insane. Look at all the clouds coming in.
That's awesome.
You can actually do something that us Arizona people can't do. Oh! How crazy! You could actually throw snow at people. Whoop! That's a fun I've never known before. Oh! Ugh. Well, now we can't see anything. There you go. Geeking out over snow, it's so funny. But it's so cool. Yeah, this is like real snow now. It's like soft. This is insane. Holy crap. Huh? Ah! It scared you. You like crunched up. This is by far the coolest hike I've done this year.
Look at that little barrel.
January 1st, the coolest hike this year for sure. This is unreal.
Hey, Bert, look at this snowball.
Hey Jed, look at this snowball.
Take a gander.
Oh, I missed!
Did you see that? Acted like I was gonna kick block it.
Yo, my eyebrows are legit frozen. This is our last real challenge. And just to make it worse, or better, whatever you want to call it, it is snowing. A lot. Now it's my turn to stand up there. Alright guys, it is snowing a lot now. At this point, it's like a, whoa, gosh, that is slippery. The water bottle just fell. I don't want to get it. It's snowing a lot. There's a lot of snow. And I mean, the crazy part, that right there, yep, that's a cactus. See the spines? Yep, okay. This is hectic. Dude, look at this. Look at this. No freaking way. I can't even see Jeff and Jed anymore. They're just a few feet up there. This is crazy. I mean, the last time I was here, only like 2 weeks ago, it was warm. There were lizards out running around. Now look at this. It's pretty thick too. Oh. Holy crap. Dude, that is so cool. We don't want to go to the edge. A normal day down there. Wow.
Wow. That is amazing.
Alright, we have arrived at the top.
Gonna do the drone?
Oh yeah. Gonna pull this drone out. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be sick. Okay, well, here's some scenic view for you. On the way up, it was all foggy and we couldn't see anything. But now, you can see the entire view. And it is unreal. This is the scary part. Oh, look at that. The snow starting to melt.
Your hand's staying.
Dude, that is so steep.
Yeah, we got a lot.
It's gonna take forever. So, I'm probably done filming till we get down there. So, we'll see you at the bottom. Alright, we're away from the snow. There it is up there. So now we're back in the desert. The dry desert, not the snowy desert at least. It's already melting because of the sun, but because it's not supposed to snow here, but you know. Awesome. I totally freaking spaced out when we got back to the car, and I forgot to video Jeff's and his brother-in-law Jed's input on the hike, but we all enjoyed it. I can guarantee that. We were tired afterwards. I'm sore. It was a pretty tough climb, but it was really cool. So now I'm videoing now because I totally forgot to video after the hike. So yeah, anyway, everything was unrealistic to me. I mean, to a lot of you people living in like Colorado or you know, all those cold places, Utah, or wherever you're from. If you're from one of those cold places, comment down below and let me know. And let me know what you thought of today's video. I mean, it was insane to me. I kept recording and recording and recording. I'm pretty sure I repeated myself 1,000 times because I was just blown away at the fact that it was snowing in the desert. And I kept like recording. I'm like, well, I already recorded this. But I kept recording and recording because I wanted to capture that moment because that's not something that happens. So it was super cold. But anyway, if you liked the video, be sure to comment down below and let me know. Leave a like on this video. It would mean the world to us. Leaving a like on the video allows our channel to get put out in YouTube, and so more people can see it. If you want to see more content and us to get further into our channel, be sure to leave a like on our video. And we'll be sure to post next week. And of course, like we promised in the New Year's video, if you have a cool experience that you had during some event out in nature, send us a picture or comment down below and we'll share that in our next video, and we will give you a shout out, and yeah, should be a lot of fun. We'll see you next time, guys, and of course if you're new, subscribe. See you later. Peace.